I'm excited to invite you to our 2025 Haas Demo Days, where we're showing you how Haas is more than CNC. This year we're bringing together cutting-edge machining, hands-on automation demos, and the latest in Haas tooling. Our engineers will be here to answer your questions, run live demos, and help you find the right solutions for your shop. We have incredible giveaways, including exclusive Haas tooling prize packs. Register now and get ready to see why Haas is more than CNC. We can't wait to see you at Haas Demo Days 2025.